ClickUp tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use ClickUp. It's a comprehensive productivity app that combines task management, document collaboration, goal tracking, and even chat functionalities into one convenient platform. In this tutorial, we'll cover the essentials of ClickUp, starting from creating an account and setting up your workspace to dividing into creating spaces, adding tasks, and utilizing the powerful whiteboard feature. The best part is, I'll be doing a quick overview of some of the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years using ClickUp, and I want to share with you guys because this can make your work so much more efficient and so much more faster. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using ClickUp, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. Click on it to proceed with the sign-up process. Upon clicking the Get Started button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Provide your email address and click on the Next button to move forward. Following that, you'll need to enter your full name and choose a strong password for your account. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Play with ClickUp button to continue with the sign-up process. At this point, you'll need to verify your email address. ClickUp will send you an email containing a 4-digit confirmation code. Open your inbox and locate the email sent by ClickUp. Once you've found it, copy the 4-digit confirmation code provided in the email and paste it into the designated confirmation code field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button to complete the verification process for your email address. After successfully verifying your email address, the next step is to create your first workspace. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workspace. Choose a suitable name that reflects the purpose or theme of your workspace, and then click on Next to proceed. To add a personal touch to your account, you have the option to upload a profile picture. If you prefer not to upload a profile picture at this time, you can skip this section by clicking on I'm happy so far. Remember, you can always upload a profile picture later if you change your mind. Once you've completed the workspace creation and profile picture steps, it's time to personalize your account further. To personalize your account, follow the on-screen prompts to choose your favorite color, select the number of people working with you, decide how you want to start using ClickUp from the drop-down menu, and share how you heard about ClickUp. Once completed, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Once you're on your account dashboard, you'll notice that it offers a simple and intuitive layout, making it easy to navigate. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find the left navigation menu, which includes several important tabs to help you manage your tasks and projects effectively. The first tab on the left navigation menu is the Home tab. In this section, you can add your most important tasks and get an overview of your workload. Additionally, you'll find a display of trending tasks, allowing you to stay updated on the tasks that are currently popular or receiving significant attention. The Home tab also provides a summary of your work, including a to-do list, comments, completed tasks, and delegated tasks. Located just below the Home tab is the Notifications tab. Clicking on this button will open a window displaying all the notifications related to your team and task activities. You can sort these notifications by choosing between Assigned to Me or Mementos to focus on specific updates that are relevant to you. In the initial stages of using the app, these notifications might primarily come from ClickUp automation, providing updates on your team's actions regarding tasks you're involved in. As your ClickUp account grows and you collaborate more with your team, notifications can become more varied and interesting. Another important tab in the left navigation menu is Goals. Here you have the ability to create goals, break them down into measurable targets, and track your progress in real time. The Goals feature allows you to set clear objectives and monitor your team's achievements, ensuring everyone is aligned and working towards the same outcomes. One of the key sections in ClickUp is Spaces, where all the magic happens. This is the central area where you can add lists, manage your tasks, assign reminders, and perform various other actions. The navigation sidebar within Spaces acts as a table of contents, displaying all the spaces and ClickUp tasks, making it effortless to switch between multiple spaces. In the Everything section, you'll find a comprehensive view of everything you've created within your ClickUp account, including projects, tasks, and to-do lists. In the same Team Space section, you can access and manage all the projects, tasks, and to-do lists associated with your team. Next on the left navigation menu is the Dashboards tab. Dashboards provide a high-level overview of all of your data and can be used to create and share insightful reports with your team. With dashboards, you have the flexibility to create custom views using various chart types such as line, bar, and pie charts. These visualizations help you analyze and interpret your data from different perspectives, aiding in effective decision-making and project management. ClickUp also offers a built-in documentation feature called Docs. This feature allows you to create and maintain documents that seamlessly integrate with your existing workflows. You can use Docs to develop detailed standard operating procedures, SOPs, or create wiki-style information bases for your team to access. Real-time collaboration is supported, enabling you to edit ClickUp docs, add comments, and even assign tasks to team members directly from within the document you're working on. Within the Docs section, existing documents are categorized into 4 groups: All, Assigned to Me, Shared, and Private. This categorization makes it easy to locate and manage your documents based on their visibility and ownership. Now, let's see how to create a new space in ClickUp. To create a new space in ClickUp, start by clicking on the Spaces tab located in the sidebar. This will take you to the Spaces section. Once there, locate the plus New Space button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new space. Type in the desired name, which can be related to a company department like sales, accounting, marketing, or even for clients if you work with them. Alternatively, if you're using ClickUp for a personal project, you can choose a name like My Personal Project. After entering the name, click Next to proceed. Now it's time to give your space its own unique look and feel. Choose a custom color and avatar to personalize the space. This allows you to visually distinguish it from other spaces within your workspace. Once you've made your color and avatar selections, click Next to continue. Next, you'll have the option to decide who can access and view your space. You can choose to share the space with everyone in your workspace or limit access to specific individuals. Select your preferred sharing option and click Next to proceed. Now it's time to customize your workflow within the space by setting up statuses. Statuses represent the different stages or steps that tasks can go through. For example, you can have statuses such as To Do, In Progress, and Complete. These statuses help track the progress of tasks within your space. Customize your workflow by adding or modifying the available status to fit your specific needs. Once you've set up your statuses, click Next to proceed. To add a new status to your space, click on the plus Add Status button. In the text field that appears, type in the desired status name, such as In Progress, and press Enter to add it. You can also choose a color for the status to make it visually distinct. Once you've selected the color, click Next to proceed. The next step is to enable or disable Click Apps for your space. Click Apps allow you to customize the functionality of ClickUp by adding or removing specific features. This flexibility allows you to tailor ClickUp to your specific needs, making it as simple or as powerful as you require. After making your selection, click Next to continue. Now it's time to choose the views that you want to automatically create for your space. You have several options to choose from, including List, Calendar, Activity, Gantt, Table, Workload, Board, Map, Team, Mind Map, and Timeline views. Select the views that are most relevant to your space. Don't worry if you want to add more views later, you can always do so. Once you've made your selections, click Review Space to proceed. Take a moment to review all the settings you've chosen for your space. If everything looks good and you're ready to create the space, click on the Create Space button. Once the space is created, you will find it listed in the Spaces section of the left menu, making it easily accessible for you and your team. Next, let's see how to add a task to your space in ClickUp. To add a task to your space in ClickUp, start by locating the plus task button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This button allows you to create a task from anywhere within the ClickUp interface. After clicking on the plus task button, a new window will appear where you can enter the name of your task. For example, you can type in short tutorials or any other description that represents the task you want to create. Next, choose the list to which you want to add the task. Select the appropriate list from the available options to ensure that your task is organized within the desired context. Once you've selected the list, you can proceed to write a short description for the task in the provided description field. This description can provide additional details or instructions related to the task. If there are any files or attachments associated with the task, you can add them by clicking on the Add button next to the Attachment section. This will give you various options to upload files from your computer, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, or Google Drive. Attach the relevant files to the task to ensure all necessary information is accessible. Setting a due date is essential for task management. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon at the bottom of the task window. Choose the appropriate date to indicate when the task is due. Additionally, you have the option to add tags, use templates, set dependencies such as waiting on or blocking tasks, and add watchers who will be notified about updates related to the task. Once you have completed all the necessary details, click on the Create Task button to finalize the task creation process. After creating the task, it will be visible in the list you selected for it. This allows you and your team to easily locate and track the progress of the task within the designated list. Task views are different ways of viewing tasks. They give you completely unique views to visualize your tasks. With different ways of grouping, sorting, and filtering, you can get complete control of how you see your tasks. The list view is the most flexible view in terms of grouping, sorting, and filtering. Board view is the go-to view for agile teams, but every user can utilize the convenience offered. This view lets you visualize tasks by status in a pipeline for drag-and-drop usability. This allows you to easily move tasks through your workflow. You'll start with list view and board view to keep things simple, but you can change this at any time. You can even customize how they're built by default. All views are added by choosing plus view in the views bar. Click plus view and choose your view. Next, here are a few tips and tricks for hacking your mindset to help you get things done. First, minimizing tasks. Managing multiple tasks in ClickUp can be challenging, especially when you need to switch back and forth between them. To alleviate this annoyance, you can utilize the Task Tray feature to minimize tasks, allowing for quick and convenient access at any time. Additionally, you can also minimize docs to the tray for a streamlined workflow. Think of the task tray as a way to minimize your tasks, similar to how you manage different windows and tabs in a web browser. By minimizing tasks in the task tray, you can effortlessly reopen them and continue where you left off, eliminating the need to constantly navigate or lose your progress when closing tasks to focus on other activities. You can minimize both existing tasks as well as minimize new tasks. When working with an existing task, simply click on it to open it. Inside the task, you'll notice an arrow sign labeled Minimize Task. Clicking on this arrow will minimize the task, sending it to the task tray. Similarly, when creating a new task by clicking on plus task at the bottom right corner, you'll find an arrow sign labeled Minimize Draft. Clicking on this arrow will minimize the newly created task. Once a task is minimized, it will go down into the task tray, which resides at the bottom right side of the screen next to the plus task button. You can access the task tray from anywhere within your ClickUp account as it remains readily available. In addition to tasks, you can also minimize docs using the same method. The process is identical, allowing for a consistent approach to managing both tasks and documents. However, if you click on the 4 dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, representing the shortcut section, you'll notice that the task tray can be pinned. By default, the pinned task tray displays all the tasks and documents that have been minimized. However, if you decide to unpin the task tray, its view will change. Instead of showing the actual tasks and documents, you will see a numerical indicator representing the number of minimized tasks. Clicking on this number will expand the task tray, revealing all the minimized tasks and documents. For instance, if you have minimized 3 tasks, the expanded view will show the number 3 as an identification. Clicking on it will display all 3 tasks. If you wish to remove any task from the tray, hover over the desired task and click on the X icon. This action will remove the task from the tray, ensuring a clutter-free workspace and allowing you to focus on the tasks that require your attention. By effectively utilizing the task tray in ClickUp, you can enhance your productivity by seamlessly managing and accessing minimized tasks and documents, enabling a smoother workflow and reducing the need for constant task switching. The next tip is Everything View Calendar. The Everything View Calendar is a powerful tool in ClickUp that allows you to access information from your entire workspace in one consolidated view. To open the Everything view, navigate to the left menu and click on Spaces. From there, select Everything to open the Everything view. This pulls the information from all your spaces, providing a comprehensive overview. By default, the Everything view displays information in a list format, showing all the spaces, projects, lists, folders, and tasks. This can be overwhelming and confusing due to the complex nature of the display. However, you have the ability to filter out this information to make it more manageable and relevant to your needs. Suppose you want to create a new calendar and filter it in the Everything view. To do this, click on the plus view at the top of your screen and select Calendar. Then click on the Add Calendar button to create your new calendar view. You can give your calendar view a name, such as Personal Calendar, or any other name that suits your needs. In this case, let's name it Emma's Calendar. Once you have created your calendar view, hover over its name and you will see the option to pin it. By pinning the calendar, it will remain visible in the Everything view. This way, whenever you visit the Everything view, you can easily locate and access your calendar without getting lost in the complex interface. To filter your calendar in the Everything view, simply click on the name of your pinned calendar at the top. This action will take you directly to your calendar where you can create tasks on specific days. To create a task, hover over the desired day and a plus sign representing Create Task will appear. Click on it, select a list, and then click Save to create the task. The next tip is Notepad. When you're in the midst of work, it can be challenging to capture random thoughts that pop into your head throughout the day. These thoughts could be creative ideas worth exploring later, grocery list items you just remembered, or even miscellaneous to-dos that you don't want to forget about. However, when you're fully focused on a project or task in ClickUp, you don't want to disrupt your workflow by closing out of what you're doing just to jot down these untimely thoughts. Additionally, managing multiple handwritten to-do lists and scattered notes in notebooks can be cumbersome and inconvenient when you need them the most. This is where the trusty Notepad feature comes to the rescue. The Notepad in ClickUp is a reliable solution that allows you to capture and organize your thoughts regardless of where you are in the app. Whether you're working on a task, viewing a calendar, or accessing a dashboard, you can always access Notepad through the Shortcuts menu located on the bottom right-hand side of the ClickUp interface. To create a note in the Notepad, simply click on the Shortcut button at the bottom right corner of the screen and select Notepad from the menu that appears. The Notepad will open, and you can enter a title for your note. Click the Create button to generate the note, and then proceed to type out your ideas or thoughts. The Notepad offers a range of formatting options to enhance your notes. You can add tables, banners, checklists, and columns to structure your content. Formatting features like headings, bullets, number lists, toggle lists, banners, and more are available as well. To access these options, simply type the / command on your keyboard and a menu will appear with all the formatting choices. Select the desired option to incorporate it into your note. Personally, I find the Notepad invaluable for any type of brain dumping or brainstorming. Whether it's creating lists, jotting down ideas, or capturing miscellaneous thoughts, I can easily access my Notepad from anywhere within ClickUp. I quickly record what I need to, ensuring that my focus remains uninterrupted. This easy access to a Notepad helps me stay organized and minimizes interruptions to my workflow, ensuring maximum productivity within ClickUp. Next, using task templates. Using task templates in ClickUp can greatly simplify the process of managing recurring tasks. To get started, create a new space or select an existing one where you want to set up the template. Once you have chosen the space, proceed to create a list within it. This list will serve as a container for your tasks. Go ahead and create the list that fits your needs. With the list created, the next step is to create a to-do task. Simply click on Task Name under the To-Do section and enter the desired name for your task. Once you have entered the task name, click Save to save your task within the list. After creating the task, you can click on it to open the task window. This allows you to add more details and provide a description if necessary. In our example, let's say our task is related to Twitter, and we want to include two specific subjects, Tweet and Twitter Space. To highlight these subjects, we can make each one a heading. To do this, click the dots located on the left side of each subject. Once the options appear, select Turn Into and choose Heading 1. Repeat this process for both subjects to transform them into headings. To separate the headings and create a visual distinction, you can insert a divider line between them. Simply leave a space between the headings or subjects and then type the / command on your keyboard. In the options that appear, search for Divider and select it to insert the divider line. Once you have prepared the task and added the desired structure using headings and a divider line, the next step is to save it as a template for future use. To do this, click on the three dots located next to the Share button within the task window. A menu will appear, and from there select Templates and then Save as Template. Enter a name for your template and click on Save to create it. Once the template is saved, you can click on Exit Window to exit the task. To automate the application of this template to recurring tasks, click on the Automate button at the top right corner of the ClickUp interface. From the options that appear, select Plus Add Automation. A window will open with different automation settings. Choose Task Created from the When This Happens drop-down menu and select Apply a Template from the Then Do This Action drop-down menu. From the available templates, choose the one you have just created and saved. Click on the Use Template button to select it for application to new tasks. Finally, click the Create button to activate the automation. From this point forward, whenever you create a new task, the template that you have created will automatically be applied to the task after a few seconds. This streamlines the process of setting up recurring tasks with a predefined structure and saves you time and effort in manually configuring each task. Next, using the Favorite feature. One convenient feature in ClickUp is the ability to use the Favorite feature, which allows you to mark and access frequently used items across your ClickUp account with ease. By designating items as favorites, you can quickly find and access them whenever needed, improving your productivity and streamlining your workflow. By default, if you haven't marked anything as a favorite yet, you'll notice the Favorites button positioned above your spaces. Clicking on this button will reveal the Favorites tab, which initially appears empty. This tab serves as a central hub where you can gather and organize your most important items, including tasks, documents, and more. To add items to your favorites, such as tasks or documents, you can follow this simple process. For example, if you want to favorite a document, navigate to the Docs tab within ClickUp. There you'll find a list of available documents. By clicking on the three dots icon next to each document, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Favorite option. This action will mark the document as a favorite and add it to your Favorites tab for a quick and convenient access. To access all the items you've marked as favorites, simply navigate to the Favorite tab located in the left menu of your ClickUp interface. In this dedicated tab, you'll find a comprehensive collection of all the items you've designated as favorites. This centralized location makes it effortless to collect and access your frequently used items, saving you valuable time and ensuring a more efficient workflow. ClickUp offers customization options for further convenience. You have the flexibility to reposition items within your Favorites tab, allowing you to arrange them in a way that best suits your preferences. By clicking and dragging an item to the desired position, you can establish a personalized order that aligns with your workflow and priorities. Additionally, ClickUp allows you to pin Favorite tab items to the top, ensuring even quicker access to your most important items. By clicking on the Favorite tab in the right menu, you'll find the Pin option. Enabling this option will pin your favorites to the top, creating a convenient bar that remains visible at all times. This way, the items you've marked as favorites are readily accessible and always just a click away. Another useful feature of the Favorite functionality in ClickUp is the ability to change the titles of your favorite items to emojis. This allows for easy identification and recognition of the associated items. To do this, simply right-click on the item you wish to rename, select the Rename option, and edit the name. By pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously, you can activate the emoji keyboard, where you can choose an emoji that best represents the item. This way, when you see the emoji, it serves as a visual cue that quickly reminds you of the associated item, simplifying navigation and retrieval. The last tip is ClickUp AI. ClickUp AI brings a range of powerful capabilities to enhance your document and task management experience. While currently available only in ClickUp's Docs and Tasks feature, the AI functionality is truly remarkable. Let's explore some of its key features and benefits. Firstly, the AI feature enables you to summarize documents effortlessly. Within each document, you'll find a Summarize button that generates a concise summary of the document's content. This is particularly useful when you need to quickly extract essential information from a document, whether for internal sharing or external communication or client interactions. By utilizing the summarization capability, you can save time and avoid overwhelming yourself with additional tasks. Additionally, ClickUp's AI provides helpful prompts to assist you in various writing tasks. With prompts such as continue writing, explain this, make it better, fix spelling and grammar, make longer, make shorter, use simpler language, and more, you can leverage AI-powered assistance to enhance your writing process. These prompts empower you to refine and improve your documents, ensuring they are polished and impactful. Moreover, ClickUp's AI offers a unique document prompting feature which eliminates the daunting blinking cursor and facilitates a seamless writing experience. By opening a new document within ClickUp, typing the / command, and selecting Write with AI, you can create a prompt to kickstart your writing process. Witness the magic unfold as the AI assists you in generating the content, providing you with valuable insights and suggestions along the way. One fascinating application of ClickUp's AI prompts is the ability to create process standard operating procedures. By prompting the AI with a specific topic like inbox management, you can generate a comprehensive document outlining the purpose, scope, responsibilities, and guidelines associated with that particular process. This functionality streamlines the creation of detailed process documents, ensuring clarity and consistency in your operations. Now, the next thing is to learn how to use Whiteboard in ClickUp. To utilize the Whiteboard feature in ClickUp, start by accessing the left menu and click on Spaces. From there, locate the space where you want to use the whiteboard and click on the plus sign next to it. Among the options presented, you will find Whiteboard. Simply click on it to enter the whiteboard interface. Upon entering the whiteboard, you will notice a left toolbar that provides various tools to assist you during your work. The Select tool allows you to choose and move items across the whiteboard as needed. This tool is helpful for organizing and arranging elements on your whiteboard. If you want to add live tasks and documents directly onto your whiteboard, you can utilize the ClickUp Items tool. Clicking on the ClickUp items enables you to incorporate these elements seamlessly into your whiteboard. For embedding external content, such as Google Sheets, YouTube videos, or Figma designs onto your whiteboard, you can utilize the Website Cards tool. This allows you to bring together all your relevant work and information in one place. You can access the bottom Embed menu when needed and unpin it by clicking the pin icon at the top right corner. The Draw tool is available for you to freely draw on the whiteboard. You can change the color of the pen and adjust its size to suit your preferences. To add eye-catching shapes to your whiteboard, you can click on the rectangle tool and place it on your canvas. This allows you to incorporate visually appealing shapes onto your whiteboard. To make use of sticky notes in ClickUp's whiteboard feature, simply click on the sticky note tool in the left toolbar and place it on your canvas. This allows you to quickly jot down ideas or important points during your whiteboard session. The text tool enables you to add text directly onto the whiteboard. Click on the Text tool and then click on the canvas where you want to insert your text. This feature is useful for adding labels, descriptions, or any other textual information. Connectors are handy for visually linking different items on the whiteboard. By clicking on the Connectors button, you can drag the connector from one item, such as a square, and release it onto another item, like a sticky note. This creates a visual connection between two elements. If you prefer to create mind maps to organize your thoughts, you can click on the Mind Map tool and place it on the canvas. This allows you to visually map out your ideas and create a structured flow of information. Clicking on the magic wand icon opens the template library where you can choose from various pre-designed templates. Selecting a template applies an instant framework to your whiteboard, providing a structured layout for your content. To add or edit text within an item on the canvas, simply click on that item. If there are no items with text, you can select a sticky note and type directly onto it. The Upload feature allows you to upload image files in formats such as JPG, PNG, or SVG. This allows you to place images on your whiteboard for visual reference or further annotation. In addition to the left toolbar, there are options located at the top right corner of the whiteboard interface. The Account tab allows you to see who is collaborating with you on the whiteboard. You can also adjust the zoom level of the whiteboard. Use the Fit to Screen option to fit the whiteboard to your screen and view the whiteboard in full screen mode for a more immersive experience. By utilizing these features and options with ClickUp's whiteboard, you can effectively capture and organize ideas, collaborate with others, and customize your whiteboard experience according to your needs. ClickUp offers a range of plans to cater to different users' needs and team sizes. The free plan is designed for personal use and includes features such as 100 megabytes of storage and unlimited tasks. It is a great option for individuals looking to manage their personal projects without any cost. The unlimited plan is suitable for small teams and is priced at $9 per month. In addition to all the features available in the free plan, it offers unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, and other enhanced functionalities. This plan is ideal for teams that require more resources and collaboration capabilities. The business plan is the most popular option and is priced at $19 per month. It is well suited for mid-sized teams and offers everything available in the unlimited plan, along with additional features like Google SSO, single sign-on, unlimited teams, and custom exporting. This plan provides more advanced tools and customization options for improved team productivity. For organizations with multiple teams, the Business Plus plan is available at $29 per month. It includes all the features of the business plan and adds functionalities such as team sharing and subtasks in multiple lists. This plan is ideal for companies that require seamless collaboration and coordination across different teams. Finally, the Enterprise plan is designed for large organizations with extensive needs. To avail of this plan, users need to get in touch with the sales team to discuss pricing and features. The Enterprise plan encompasses everything available in the business plan and provides additional benefits like white labeling, advanced permissions, and other enterprise-grade functionalities. By offering a range of plans, ClickUp ensures that users can choose the one that best suits their requirements, whether they are individuals, small teams, mid-sized teams, or large organizations. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using ClickUp. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of the various features and functionalities that ClickUp has to offer. Remember, ClickUp is a versatile tool that can adapt to the needs of individuals, teams, and organizations across various industries. Whether you're looking to streamline your personal tasks or collaborate seamlessly with your team, ClickUp has the tools you need. So go ahead and explore the possibilities, unlock your productivity potential, and start accomplishing your goals with ClickUp. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and